Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So a while back, I posted how to make sheep pancakes. And if you haven't already made them, you should really make them because you get 12 servings of pancakes that are very high in protein, high in fiber, and very customizable. So today we're making another version. We're making actually one of my favorite versions, which is a lemon blueberry, or blueberry lemon, I would say. And you guys can make the pancake, you can scatter blueberries all over and put it in the oven, okay? And it's in the oven 10 minutes, by the way. So this recipe is just, within 15 minutes, you get 12 servings of pancakes, to be honest. I decided to actually make a blueberry chia jam first, which takes 5 minutes. Let that cool, and then I made my pancake mixture, and then I actually placed the blueberry jam on top and did this beautiful little swirl action, and we're getting even more nutrients with the chia inside of the blueberries, and they just look beautiful. They store beautifully, guys. I usually do half in the fridge for the week and then I'll freeze the other half. Cut them into your desired slices, so then you can just take out each individual slice from the freezer when you're ready to eat them. They're so delicious. If you are a pancake fan, and I don't even add any maple syrup, if you want to add some extra Greek yogurt to it to give it even more protein, feel free to do that. Whatever you want. But I just eat them as is. I don't add anything else because there is a touch of sweetness inside, but very little, and that's customizable as well. So if you haven't already made sheep pan pancakes, make them. Trust me, it saves so much time, especially if you have a large family. It's great. But you know what? It's that my husband and I, and it's something that I can make in 15 minutes, and I have breakfast for a few weeks, to be perfectly honest, and it's really worth it. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these really delicious blueberry lemon sheep pan pancakes. Let's make our blueberry chia jam. Grab a medium sauce pot, and we're going to add 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, and we are going to cook this on medium heat. I'm going to add the zest of half of a lemon and the juice of half of a lemon. Save the other half for the pancakes. We are going to cook this on medium heat for, let's say, 5 minutes until they release their juices and they soften. After 5 minutes, we're going to give it a good stir, and I'm going to grab my masher, and I'm going to mash the blueberries to the desired consistency that I like. Now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. We're going to cook this for about a minute. And then we will turn off the heat, take the jam off of the heat, and let it cool down while we make our batter. We are going to use a blender because I'm using rolled oats. If you have oat flour, then you can make this in a bowl. I'm adding 3 eggs, wet ingredients first, always for blender, half a cup of milk, any milk will do. I'm adding 1 cup of cottage cheese, and half a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use all cottage cheese or all Greek yogurt, whatever you prefer. That's the juice of half of a lemon, and this is the zest of another full lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you can also add 2 tablespoons of whatever liquid sweetener you like. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, I'm going to add 1.25 cups of rolled oats. These are sprouted rolled oats, which are a little bit better for your digestion. I'm adding 1 cup of almond flour. You can use all almond flour for this recipe if you like, which will be 2.25 cups. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also use coconut oil. We're going to blend this on high until it's nice and smooth, but don't overmix. We're gonna grab our greased sheet pan, and I'm going to pour the batter onto the sheet pan. We are going to spread this out in a thin layer from corner to corner. It will puff up in the oven. And you want to ensure that it's in a nice even layer. I'm going to grab the blueberry chia jam and I'm going to add dollops all over the batter. Using my knife, I'm going to swirl the jam throughout the batter. Again, guys, as I mentioned, if you don't want to go that extra step to make the blueberry jam, just scatter 1.5 cups of blueberries over the pancakes. I'm also just going to give it a nice little shake just to ensure that the batter is even. We're going to bake at 425 for about 10 minutes. And they smell incredible. Once they cool, cut them into 12 slices and enjoy with a little maple syrup, a little nut butter, a little Greek yogurt. Enjoy our blueberry lemon chia sheet pan pancakes. This is now my favorite pancake recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these blueberry lemon sheet pan pancakes, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys. Happy baking.